on the track.
Hey y'all, I'm up at back where I started at J-Mar Racing Engines. Gonna take these heads in here and discuss some things with them. See what I can do, you know, to see if he, you know, he got more experience than me. See what happened to these heads. I brought the head gasket to see he can kind of like look at it like a doctor and tell me what exactly happened to this engine. So y'all can tell me what happened. Feel free and let me know. But this head gasket right here, it's like see like that. I don't know if it was a blown head gasket or not. I was doing some research online all last night trying to look up and see what a blown head gasket looked like. But in a minute, y'all, I'm gonna go in here and talk to the expert. All right, we back here. Oh, you got it off the dyno, huh?
Oh yeah. Well, that's the LS. That one we never did dyno. We took that off because I had dyno something else the other day.
Yeah, this is the old popular. This is what made me get the LS, man,
That's
right
right
here.
Yeah. So, did you get an iron block or aluminum block?
I think it's aluminum. I'm not sure.
Okay.
All right, well, you don't need to bring me no receipt or nothing like that?
If I can give you a receipt that says you dropped off 2 heads.
Oh, okay.
Was that what you would like to have?
Yeah, just something that. Well, just, you know. All right, YouTube.
There you go.
Here at J-Mar Racing.
That's it. Yes, sir.
I should be able to race pretty soon.
Uh-huh. Come summer.
Yeah, come summer.
Yep.
All right, let's get this stuff all cleaned up. All right, I'm out of here, man. Let me go break down this block, and I'll bring you the short block tomorrow.
Give me a call first. Make sure I'm here.
All right, I appreciate it.
All righty. See you later.
All right, thanks.